This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and bilkomponenter. While we're back home, let's take a look at the result. You see that the Polestar 4 did it quite well, but slightly slower than spec. It was probably because it was spinning. I don't know what's up with that. I used the performance mode. We had dry asphalt. We have Michelin Pilot Sport tires, you know, but it was spinning. On the other hand, I have seen other Chinese cars also spin. I think it was actually the Hi-Fi and also some other cars. So maybe the Chinese traction control is not the best compared to the European traction control. But I mean, it's still fast. Look at this. BMW i4, 3.9 seconds, slightly slower. Okay, well, just measurement error. But the same number of horsepower and then almost same weight. And then if we look further down here, you see that the new Polestar, this is a 2024 Polestar, yeah, with a performance pack. Even with winter tires, wait, let's see. No, I think that's summer tire. Yeah, did it in over 4 seconds, and then the previous generation Polestar, they are down here. We have the regular Polestar, and then it's the one with a performance pack. So that was around 4.4 seconds. So in that regard, you know, 3.9 seconds is still blistering fast for a big car. And then when it comes to noise, wonderful. It's just wonderful. Look here. Yeah, recently I tested the new EL8. It was really quiet, but also the Polestar is really quiet. It's like a fat e-tron, yeah, also when it comes to consumption, but really just top notch despite having 21-inch wheels. There you guys have it. The Polestar 4 is spacious, it's sexy, it's thirsty, and it's fast. So go buy it, yeah. Alright, that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.